MARSON's MP4V series of installation tools includes everything you need: the tool, oil, jaw pusher, jaw collet case, spring, 3-piece jaws, wrench, and nose piece. To disassemble, first using a wrench, remove the frame head. Next, loosen the collet with a wrench and remove it. Remove the spring. To reassemble, insert the jaw pusher and spring. Place the jaws in the collet case. Be sure to place your finger on the opening of the collet case before inserting the jaws. Place over the mandrel. Then hand tighten the collet and tighten with a wrench. To bleed the tool, first connect the air supply. Unscrew the plug on top of the tool and drain the oil. Next, insert the syringe into the plug. Add Mobile DTE 24 oil in the syringe and use the supplied plunger to add the oil to the tool. Inject the oil into the tool, then replace the cap. Push the handle to cycle the tool. Ensure the mandrel fully retracts. Loosen the nose piece and replace with a new nose piece. Screw on the frame head. Tighten the frame head covering the assembly using a wrench. Your MARSON MP4V is ready to go.